Hello, this is Jeremy with US Fleet Tracking. Today we're going to be talking about a PT-V3 Pro, some of the basic tips and installations that might help you better use this device. Now let's take a look at it. The unit itself is self-contained with an extended battery backup. This unit is actually great for assets or vehicles that are not hardwired. It's easy placement and it still allows you to track the device whenever it's in motion. Now let's do the install. Now we're going to be talking about placement of the PT-V3 Pro. On trailers, it is pretty crucial to make sure that you actually get the unit on framework of the trailer, but underneath or on top is up to you. If you put it underneath the trailer, make sure that you put it facing down towards the ground, or it does face out away from the trailer to get the signal out. Once you locate your position, this 80-pound magnet is strong. It will pull out of your hand and you will know that it is stuck. Just try not to put it on any kind of sheet metal or thin metal to where it will fall off. Once you have your desired location, just set it and you're ready to go. Now it's time to be tracked. If you have any questions about your install, just give the technical support hotline a call. They can walk you through any troubles that may have arisen. Other than that, have a good day.